Yo, what is going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, I hope y'all are doing good, man. As y'all can see, we had a few pairs land today, man, of a sneaker that I really believe in as a hold still, man. That's the topic of this video today. We're going to be discussing, well, this pair right here, the SB4 Navy. I'm going to be discussing why I believe in this sneaker so much as a hold still. As you guys can see, I had 24 of my 25. I copped off my guy. I'm not going to put it at because, well, he still owes me a pair. We're going to figure out that situation, right? Hopefully it goes good, right? Nothing bad. I'm owed one pair of sneakers from him still. I got most of them, so I know that he's legit. It just, stuff happens. So we'll see where that goes, right? Hopefully nothing bad. But basically, we're going to be discussing why I think this is still one of the best holds that you can get this year. Obviously, the best one from this year, in my opinion, was the Brick by Bricks, and we did mention that before those soared up in price. But this is one, in my opinion, that long term, go look at the pine greens. Those have consistently gone up over time. I think these will do pretty much the exact same thing. So let's get into it and discuss why I think that. And also just, well, this bulk purchase right here. So if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. You guys can try. Let's try and hit 300 likes in this video. And you guys can also check out the Whatnot lives down below. Since we got all these in, we're going to be doing some SB4 Navies under market. So make sure you guys save those upcoming streams. Do not miss out. Make sure you bookmark them because when I go live, it'll notify you. So don't miss out on that. And any other of the stuff down below, my Instagrams, all that. Just check it. It's in the pinned comment. And y'all can see, got the band-aids on today. I was using my package dolly, and well, we did a little bit of damage to the fingers, but no worries. Hope y'all will enjoy, and let's get into discussing why I believe in this sneaker so much as a whole. My camera is not focusing, but there we go. Let's discuss why we believe in it still. Let's go. So as you guys can see, again, we got a good amount of pairs here. Some good sizes also. You can see 9, 9.5. But I never mind buying sizes like these for the right price because A, I wear this size, but B, it's a popular size, like 9, 9.5, 10, 11. Those are all very, very commonly worn sizes. Actually, size 11 is the one I'm missing, so we're going to track that pair down. You know what I'm saying? We're going to find it. But you can see we also got some 8.5s, not bad. But there's a couple really, really good ones in here. I actually was stoked about getting, there's a 6.5 in here. That's a really good woman's size. Super hyped about getting that. You can see we got some other good sizes, a 7. This is a good one. 6.5. Like these two, I'm actually really happy about getting. Normally, I'm not hyped about getting small sizes, but these are like, think about it, they don't make grade school sizes, right? For SB4 Navy. So any parents that maybe be looking for a smaller size or any ladies, right? These are going to be perfect. So I'm really happy about getting those in. And you can see we got a couple other good ones as well. Size 10. I think we also have some other larger sizes. Let me keep looking right here. 1 second. We're gonna track them down. 1 second. Oh, there you go. You can see we got an 11.5. Can't ever go wrong with that. And you can see we also got some smaller sizes. 5.5. We also have a 6. Where's the size 6? We're gonna find it. Where is it at? But yeah, we have, size 12. Can't ever go wrong with that. You know what I'm saying? So got some good sizes in here. 7.5. That's a little bit of a random size, but we'll just see what happens with it over time. I really don't mind having that one. But you guys can see, again, the exact same build as the pine green pair, just a different colorway. And I've heard a lot of people say that these might be more wearable than, again, the pine green colorway, which I don't necessarily disagree with that. All these colors really blend together very nicely. I think that's one thing that nobody can deny. And it's also, again, just really well put together. It's the exact same as the last pair, just literally a different colorway. So that is all that we have that's different with this pair. So we're super hyped to make this bulk purchase right here. And yeah, we got some pretty good pricing on them. Basically, we paid around $250 per on most pairs, so that's pretty good. I'm just looking to hold most of them into the future because, well, again, the prices right now are between a range of like $280 to $320. I think that is extremely undervalued. That is literally exactly where we had the pine greens, exactly where we had them. It was like $280 to $350, other than, of course, the larger sizes, which were so much more expensive. That's another reason which I like getting big sizes like this. We don't just have these ones right here. We also got some other ones up here, as you guys can see, some more big sizes, some 13s, 11.5s, 12s. So there's some other ones on the way as well. So you can see this is a sneaker that I'm really going in on as a whole because I believe in it as for the future. I don't think that this is one that, again, is really going to be going away in terms of its hype. It's a classic colorway. And again, it's one that's easy to rock, and especially with back to school coming up eventually. I know that's, hey, I don't want to remind you guys of that, my bad, but it's coming up eventually, August towards the end for most of us. And what else? I think, yeah, Christmas time. You can't go wrong with these, especially with, keep in mind, the pine greens in larger sizes, right, are like $600, $500. So why could these, right, in the larger sizes not go to like 400, 450? I think that's completely realistic once we, again, get away from as many people having bulk, right? Like once like a lot of bulk sellers start getting rid of their pairs. But I plan to just hold mine for a while because you can see this is a clean colorway, man. You really can't go wrong with these. Easy to rock them, easy to wear, and that is how I feel about the SB4 Navy as a whole. I really believe in it. So, aside from showing y'all again the pairs that we got in today, we're going to find that one we're missing. I'm going to go check my car, a few other places. If it's not there, then, I mean, again, I'm going to have to keep talking with my guy and be like, yo, I mean, I'm going to Paris, so we got to figure it out somehow, you know what I mean? Whether it's the SB4 Navy or something else that you can send me, but I'm not going to put his at, because again, I don't want to put him on blast. Like, it could have just been an accident. So, why don't we just get started and show you all the pricing? Let's go. So, as you guys can see, we got the screen recording up right here. My bad if my camera's a bit sideways. I literally just have it like on like my couch leg right here, just chilling. You know, we're making a calm video today. You know what I'm saying? But we're getting into the pricing. So, as you guys can see, the prices on these, I was really happy with what I paid. Again, shout out to my guy. Like, if you're watching this, bro, shout out to you. You provide amazing pricing, bro. Like, nobody is ever going to complain about that. But I guess we bought these off quite a few different people, so you know what I mean? It's not just one source, you know what I mean? That's the key to sourcing pairs at the end of the day. Like, one thing I always mention to people, it's connecting with a lot of different people. That is really the main thing, I would say. Because not, like, one person doesn't have all the pairs, you know what I'm saying? So you got to go to the different people to find a lot of different pairs, or to get a lot of pairs of one sneaker. So, aside from that, with this particular pair, you can see between a range of about $280 to $330. I think the sizes that have a lot of progress to be made is 11 plus. As you can see, size 11, the one I'm missing, is the most valuable size. That is a bit interesting. Again, hey, let me know in the comments if y'all think that's a bit weird. I think that's a little. I didn't know that now. I did not know that now. Again, I think it was probably an accident. Again, we're just missing one pair out of these ones. I really don't care that much. You know, it's like we're gonna figure it out. That doesn't help my brother's case, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna figure that one out. But as you guys can see, 11.5's doing well, 12's doing great. 12's the same as well. Okay, 12's going for the same. All right, never mind. We're tripping. We just need to look a little bit to the right? But with this particular pair, I think again 11 plus. Those are the sizes that you should be looking to hold from the sneaker. Hold for the sneaker. Excuse me. These were early market selling at like $400, $500 consistently. Like, they were going at those prices. So I just want to let you guys know, if you need to know what sizes are going to be the good ones to hold. In my opinion, it's 11 plus. Those can easily be sizes that are $475, $500. I think realistically, we can say 400 to 450 would be the range they would touch first and more quickly. So just keep that in mind. I think that's coming soon. Like, relatively, not this year in my opinion, but probably early next year, midway through next year, we could probably see these getting close to that $400 price range, and then we would see them cross that range in the big sizes, and then they would stay there in my opinion. So that's what I think about the SB4 Navy. We're gonna have a lot of this bulk start to clear out over the next couple months, so again, give it some time, but we'll see them chill at these prices for, again, the time being at least the next month or two. But if those big sizes 11 plus again start to creep up towards like 330, 340, 350, just know that means they're heading towards $400, and well, yeah, they're not really. It probably won't slow down from that point. It'll just kind of slowly and consistently go up, kind of like the pine greens did. If you want to go check the chart for those, let me actually show you guys, because here we go. Take a look. I mean, look, these are going crazy, bro. Again, look at how nuts these are going now. I mean, yes, size 10s across $500 now. I remember when those were like, you caught them for like 400 flat. You know what I mean? Right around release day, I think. They actually were, I think we're under that at one point. So I mean, take a look, y'all. This is a beautiful chart. Starting right down here at 350 average or 363 average, and now we're up here at $450 on average. You can see, well, it says 437. Go look at the big size. So we're not at a $430 average. We're at like, you know what I mean? We're towards 450. I think that's more accurate to say. And you can see where these were chilling for a bit. $500 all the way from, look at that, 360 to 500. So that's a $140 rise right there. I think something, again, very similar is coming for the SB4 Navy. There's a lot of demand for it. We're in the summertime. It's an easy colorway to rock. That's my opinion on it. I think, again, it's cool to disagree. Hey, your boy's going in on it, though. If you need to know what sneaker we're holding a lot of right now, it is the SB4 Navy. I really believe in this sneaker. I think it's super wearable, and we definitely need to tow one. That's the plan. We're going to tow one of these eventually. But your boy just copped a new pair today. Look at this. Someone was selling these used pair for a great deal. The Poly Air Max 1 Red. Bro, love this pair. Super comfy. I'm going to go for like a little walk or something today. We'll see. We just went for a run, so I'm probably just going to chill for a bit. But that is what we can say, man, about this sneaker right here, why I believe in it so much as a whole. One, it isn't one that's super easy to get bulk of. That is clearing out each week, and we're eventually going to see that run out within the next couple weeks, in my opinion. And once that happens, we're not going to see a lot of people really, trying to sell their pairs, in my opinion. Like, a lot of people are going to be trying to hold these, in my opinion. They'll be looking to just wait and see what happens with the market, because this is a hype pair. The market isn't just going to fall through for it, you know what I mean? So that is why I feel like a lot of people are probably just trying to keep a couple of these on ice. So that's my opinion on the SB4 Navy, why I believe in it as a whole, my future price prediction, and how long I'd hold it for. I mean, honestly, I'm just going to hold it for as long as I can. You know what I'm saying? I'm not in a rush, but
You know, within a year or two would be my goal. Probably like by the end of like the, I don't know, around like, man, I don't know. I'll hold these for a while, but like 16, 18 months would be my goal. You know what I'm saying? Because we got a lot of pairs right here, and it'd be kind of fun to just see what happens. You know, if they go down, they go up. We'll just see. But this isn't a pair that's a restock in my opinion, so I'm comfortable holding them, and that's why I'm holding them. If you guys want more content like this, though, feel free to subscribe and like down below. And if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I appreciate you guys for this, your support, man. This would never be possible without you guys. As always, we stay consistently working hard, but again, the people that are buying our pairs, staying consistent with us, supporting us daily here in the channel, commenting with us, and you know, just again checking out like the Whatnot Live, stuff like that down below. Hey, check it out. All you guys, it means the world to me because you guys are helping us continue this journey and make progress every single week. Again, that's the goal. We're making progress every week, so I appreciate you guys. We're going to keep going hard. And yeah, this is a nice pair. Y'all can see this is the biggest sneaker hold yet for me, so I might put that in the title. I don't know, but this is just, again, the main reason I made this video is to show y'all why we believe in this sneaker still as a hold, and to show you guys, hey, we hold the sneakers we talk about. The sneakers we talk about as holds in the channel, we hold. You know what I'm saying? So here's the proof. No denying that we're trying to hold this sneaker. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we got. I'm not going to hold all these, but definitely a good amount of them. So that is my plan right there. And let me know again what you're doing with this sneaker right now. You just get a couple to toe, or you holding some as well. Let me know what you guys are thinking. So that's it. Check it out all out down below. Sorry, subscribe, like for more. Just trying to throw it on this video. Again, Whatnot Lives. Don't miss the upcoming ones. Rather doing one tomorrow on Sunday or Monday. Maybe two. I don't know. Hey, maybe both days. Just check it out. They're scheduled. They're ready to go. So don't miss those shows. And yeah, the giveaways video every single stream as well. So you better check that and get some free stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I'm T. Catch you guys in the next video. We've already had hundreds of giveaway winners as well. So hey, you better check those streams. I keep interrupting myself, but you better check it out. You know what I'm saying? We do a lot of stuff that you guys will enjoy. So liking this pair right here. And hey, if you guys want a giveaway for this pair soon, comment giveaway. All right, that's it. I'll see y'all tomorrow in the comments or wherever. Another video coming. All right. Peace out, guys. See y'all tomorrow. Got the Band-Aids on. Peace.